What if one small piece of sweet could give you protein, calcium, iron, and energy all at once? Meet Amaranth Ragi Sukhdi, a traditional recipe with modern superfood benefits. Now let's meet the ingredients. Amaranth flour brings protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Ragi flour. Ragi is known for its high calcium content and the best plant source of iron. Jaggery. Instead of refined sugar, we're using jaggery for natural sweetness, which is good in iron. Ghee, which contains good fats, adds richness and helps bring all the flavors together. Cocoa powder. And for a fun twist, a touch of cocoa powder. Step 1. Heat ghee and lightly roast the amaranth flour. Step 2. Add ragi flour to it and roast them all together until fragrant. Step 3. Turn off the flame and mix in the cocoa powder. Step 4. Add jaggery and stir until smooth and lumps free. Step 5. Spread the mixture evenly in a tray. Step 6. Let it cool and cut into squares. Would you try this healthy twist on traditional sukhdi? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to share it with someone who loves homemade sweets.